You aren't lazy, you are occupied territory. There is a virus engineered to harvest your potential before you even wake up. While you're looking for motivation, this infection is rewriting your brain's hardware. We don't call this a bad habit. We call it a system of decay. It feeds on constant, unearned stimulation to keep you comfortable, distracted, and ultimately replaceable. If you misdiagnose this as a personality flaw, you've naively surrendered the war. You cannot rebuild a structure if you refuse to acknowledge the parasite eating the foundation. Most people spend their entire lives in a state of reaction. You react to the notification. You react to the craving. You react to the boredom. This is not living. This is being a biological puppet for an algorithm that profits from your stagnation. To kill the infection, we must identify the primary source, the dopamine loop. Every mindless scroll, every quick check of your feed, is a microdose of decay for your focus. Your brain has been trained to fear silence because silence is where the infection dies. The protocol for reclamation starts now. Phase 1 is the 4-hour digital blackout. This isn't a break, it is a surgical removal of external influence. For the next 240 minutes, you are required to exist without a secondary input. No music to drown out your thoughts, no screens to numb your eyes, no productive podcasts to give you the illusion of progress, only the void. You will feel the itch within the first 10 minutes. Your mind will invent reasons why this is unnecessary or inefficient. That is the virus speaking. It is fighting for its life because it knows that once you realize you can survive without it, its power is gone. This silence is the clean slate of the architect. In this void, the noise of the world fades, and the voice of your own intent begins to sharpen. This is where we stop being consumers and start being builders. Most will fail this test before the first hour is up. They will reach for their pocket like an addict reaching for a needle. That is how deep the system has settled into your skin. They are comfortable in their decay. But you are here because you realize the comfort was a cage. You can survive the silence. You have earned the right to begin the real architecture. You have proven that the hardware still belongs to you. The question is, are you a tenant in your own mind, or are you the master? Let's find out.